Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, Jamaica has recorded 5 road fatalities over the past 5 days into the new year. That's according to data released by the police today. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, has described the start to the new year as disappointing.
This is not a good start. This is not the start we're hoping for, to try and ambitiously reduce the number of people who die in 2025 to 20% less than 2024. In 2024, we had a 14% reduction. 60 lives were saved. This is a big thing, but we need to go better. So far, 2 pedestrians have died, 1 pedal cyclist, 1 pillion passenger, and 1 private motorcar driver. They have died in the west, St. James again, Hanover, Westmoreland again, St. Andrew North, and St. Mary.
There were 364 road fatalities in 2024. Meanwhile, Dr. Jones says he has requested a meeting with the government to discuss the crisis as well as more funding for the National Road Safety Council.
We have requested 3 important meetings with government officials. 1, to look at increasing the capacity of the National Road Safety Council to do its work. The second one, to look again at how we are dealing with the motorcycle problem, motorcyclists. And thirdly, to look at pedestrians. These 2 constitute the biggest problem we have on our roads, motorcyclists and pedestrians. There's a 4th meeting requested also to look at the whole matter of speeding and to see how we can improve the enforcement capacity of the police. These are issues which are vital in the fight against this scourge of fatalities on our roads.